Yo, yo, you see this? Look on the name Chlorophyll. This is a formula that was created here in Jamaica by two scientists, yeah man, myself and Kristen. Listen to me, you see this? Me drink this anytime I feel puffy, anytime I feel like me I get sick, if my throat a tickle. This is a natural immunizer, chlorophyll, but it depends on the labeling what it good for. This chlorophyll is available for only Jamaicans. This bottle is the what size is this again? Large cheese. Alright, so we have four size. We have 750 ml. We have 16 ounce, 750. So the 16 ounce of the 8,000, the 750 ml 10,000, half gallon 14,000, 1 gallon 28,000. Listen what this do. Blood pressure regulation, blood sugar regulation, remove all mucus, hormonal regulation, anti-aging properties, blood detoxification, increase your sex drive, oxygenation of blood. Yeah man, lift your hemoglobin, improve blood circulation, weight loss properties, parasite remover, improve skin health and appearance. Yo, all you do is take a shot glass on a hungry stomach. It works best when you do intermediate fast for weight loss. So when me did want to work on my weight, me drink some in the morning and don't eat until 12. Other people that are on the same path journey, that's what me do. Yo, if you think say this normal, oh, your children them? Yes, for children we cut down the dosage. It's 1 cork per serving. So before your child go in bed on the empty stomach, 1 cork, or in the morning first thing, 1 cork of it would work for the children. Yo, over 26 of the most powerful plant them in this. One of them named Argana. If there is no doctor near in a village, Argana can cure the village. We are talking about Merenga. We have so much more. Leaf alive. If leaf alive is the life of the leaf, why would you want it to be a part of your life? Yo, me not say nothing more about chlorophyll, you know. This available to Jamaicans. Yo, just send me a private message and we deliver through Knoxford Express to the 14 parishes in Jamaica. Simple 1-3. Bank details, send me a copy of receipt, it there your foot. Me don't talk about this. Peace and light. I'm out.